I'm going to tell you how to service and maintain your RV battery. Well, first off, we're going to put on some protective equipment whenever you're handling a battery because it is corrosive. We're going to pop the caps off. Be careful when you're popping the caps off. You don't want to splash any acid on you. We're going to inspect our fluid in our battery cells. Each cell has to have fluid above the battery plates. If it is too low, you'll get damage to your plates. The fluid you need to be adding is a distilled water. The reason why we're adding that is because there's no minerals in anything to damage your plate. Ideally, look down in with a flashlight to see where your level's at. If it's low, I suggest using a small funnel. Slowly top up each cell. Once you have them topped up, replace your cap, and we can go on to cleaning our connections. Take the connections off, inspect your cables, clean them with a sandpaper or any type of terminal cleaner that you can spray on. I suggest also if it's heavily corroded, you have a wire brush, you can get it all off. Clean it up, put your connections back on, make sure your lugs are tight. Check monthly, definitely bi-monthly.